find some shelter. Helter skelter's coming your way. End of days Armageddon. There's no escape. Where you gonna go? I'm gonna go. They're everywhere. So be aware, be prepared. Yeah, they're ready to drag you down, and you can't understand the man, can see the plan. And then when you see the flame burning, that's when it's too late. Lesson you're learning. See the light in the dark and it's burning. 1, 2, 3. Come with me and you see we can have another place inside outer space. Just clear your brain. Don't go insane. Don't live on